Over to ground, 4 Fox November, thanks.
Cutlass 8 Papa Uniform, hold short runway 17, touch and go traffic.
Holding short 17, 518 Papa Uniform.
Olympia Tower, Skyhawk 9690, Tower, 6,500, inbound, Alpha.
Cessna 90690 Hotel, Olympia Tower, make straight in runway 17, report 3 mile final.
Straight in 17, report 3 mile final, Center Hotel.
Last call Olympia ground unanswered, say again.
Breathe.
Skyhawk 7589 Olympia ground runway 17, taxi via Echo Bravo. Tomahawk 90 Charlie traffic departing prior to arrival, Cutlass.
90 Charlie, Charlie departing traffic.
Draw a straight line. Descent rate's under control. We want to stay in ETL.
Cutlass 8 Papa Uniform, westbound departure approved, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 518 Papa Uniform.
Tomahawk 90 Charlie, runway 17, clear touch and go. After touch and go, make left close traffic.
90 Charlie, clear touch and go 17, then left close traffic.
Speed up.
Cardinal 30148 Olympia ground, go ahead. Cardinal 148 Roger, in safe position on the field. Cardinal 148 Roger, runway 17, taxi via Echo Bravo. Direction of flight, please. Roger.
Olympia Tower, Skyline 92416, holding short at 17, westbound, via for departure.
Skyline 92416 Olympia Tower, hold short runway 17, touch and go traffic.
Holding short 1746.
Olympia Tower, Skyline 6 Tower, 10 miles to the north, airspace 2100 feet to the south.
Skyline looking at transition class Delta, say again.
Olympia Tower, Skyline 6198 Bravo, 10 miles north, exit transition airspace to the south at 2100 feet.
Skyline 6198 Bravo Olympia Tower, transition class Delta is approved.
Could you repeat one more time?
Skyline 998 Bravo, transition class Delta approved. Altimeter 3007.